Can't touch this, dude.
Is that a fucking camera as well?
Can't touch it.
My music hits me so hard, makes you say, oh my God, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and two heart beating. That's good. When you know you're down, a super dope homeboy from a hometown, and I'm known as such. And this is the beat you can't touch. Hey yo, let's rock out with your cock out.
Man, that's fucking smart as shit, man. Fuck. Hello?
It's a little multimedia, seems to me. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Me don't like the word cunts, but me do like the small blunts.
That's definitely right. I mean, I've got to be honest, I have no idea what to do with this shit.
This is a fine gentleman I've just met. He's actually Prince William's first cousin, and his name is Edwardian.
My name is
Edwardian Wordsworth. Actually, Duke Edwardian. Oh, not you. Oh God. Oh, he's a hater, mate. He just hates me. I don't know why. Darwin. I've known him for years. Do you know him?
Yeah, no, he's my boss.
Oh God. Do you work at the library?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, it doesn't matter. I lived in 15 years in Wellington, but we went to this bar. We poured thousands of bucks down. Had great times. He loved us. And then my mates ditched to UK, and my girlfriend dumped me, and I turned up there, got real boozed a few times, and was being a dick. So they sort of said, "Oh, don't come back," which is fine because there's 50 bars in town. And then like it's 8 years later, bro. He's just a barman at a bar. I'm just like, bro, why don't we just be like, hey, Darwin, how's it going? Hey, Greg, and just move on.
Like it.
But he came over here, and I've already talked to him 4 times today, and just said, drop it, mate.
What's the actually like? Is that a serious thing?
Oh, I don't know. I think he's a good guy, and for some reason he well hates me. But
Yeah, man.
I know he's taking all your boys. Fuck, can we just make this blunt and forget about it? Don't worry, he's your boss, mate. You're not at work. Don't worry, it's just bad luck. Hey, bro. Hey, Edward. You've got my pipe, bro. Can you fucking put something in it, bro, so I can have a smoke?
I haven't got anything, it's all around this.
Can you just break a bit off the end of that J, bro, please? Because he just stitched me up hard. Can you just rip a bit off the end? Or... Yep, thank you, sir.
Have a good night.
Yep, cheers, bro. Fuck, I hate Darwin.